Happy Sunday! I'm in the middle of getting ready, but my parents just got here and my siblings, and my dad was looking at the box that I got from Amazon, the barstool. He goes, "What's that?" And I was like, "Oh, it's a barstool I ordered." So I ended up opening the box and he is helping me build it. So we're building it. Here are the instructions. It's actually not that hard, but so far I really like it, and I feel like it looks like those. So I had originally seen one. Oh my god, that noise is so loud. But I had originally seen the one that I wanted, and it was $700 a barstool. I didn't want to spend $700. These were $150 on Amazon, but I'm like, oh, let me just order one. So we just opened it, and it actually looks really nice. So once we set it up, I'll show you. Good morning! Happy Monday, you guys. I am slurping down this matcha because I was finally able to get my hands on a new Chobani creamer. Well, Dennis was. It's the mocha caramel, and it made my matcha taste so good. And I need the caffeine. The day today is so gloomy, so rainy, so cold, and we're expecting rain for like almost the entire week. And as you guys know, the house is literally upside down. We're doing like a lot of upkeep around the house, like filling up any cracks, because you guys know here in California, LA, we get a lot of earthquakes, so things shift. So there were some cracks on the ceiling, and then I don't know if you guys remember, but I had like frames here, so there was like holes there, so that's getting patched up. The bathroom is getting, it's like 90%, I would say like 80% done, which looks so beautiful, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I'll show you guys once it's completely done. But anyway, today I'm gonna be making caldo de pollo. Let me show you guys. I have everything here already. Dennis went to Vallarta and picked up everything we need. So we have some calabacita, we have potato, celery, carrots, there's corn here, some green beans, that's for the squirrels, and then he bought tostadas. And then I have this cabbage that I've just had in the fridge. I'm just gonna throw it in there because it's getting a little, I'll probably pick out like the really bad pieces, but soups are always a good way to kind of clear out the fridge with any veggies. Oh, I also have spinach here, like the little, like last bit of it. Obviously this doesn't go in like a traditional caldo de pollo, but I'm just trying to, I don't want it to go to waste, and it's a little bit, so I'll just throw it in there. And then we got some limon. Dennis bought jalapeno, which did he? Oh my gosh. Oh yes, right here, which is so good because I always like to chop up jalapeno or serrano and put it in my soup so that it's spicy. But this is what we're doing. My mom gave me this cazuela, or this olla, 1 year for Christmas, I forgot. And it's like the perfect size for a caldo de pollo. Normally I make it in my Le Creuset, like whenever I make albondigas or if I make a smaller portion. But it's gonna be so cold and rainy. I'm like, let me just make a big portion so we can have, because we're literally not trying to go out. Let me show you guys the outside. Look at this. You guys can see, but my brother just showed me a video of the LA River, and it looks so scary. Lots of water, and it's not stopping. Like, it's not raining super hard, but it's been like this since Sunday, and it's gonna be like this until Wednesday. So it's gonna be a lot of rain. Look how sad the tree looks. It's like no leaves, but then it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, this is what the outside looks like.
What do you think about the rain disperses? You don't like the rain? I don't either.
We need to show you how we have bamboozled this little picky one. He has decided that veggies are not his forte anymore. Benji?
If he's starving.
Yeah, if he's like really hungry, but if he's just kind of like whatever. Yeah. So look at what Dennis is doing. We tried to give him just a carrot, and he wouldn't eat it.
So I grabbed a little bit of bacon and I'm mixing it on the thing, and watch him right now. Let me just move Benji out the way.
Yeah, look at him. Now he's scarfing them down. Ooh, you love carrots.
I think it's just bad sometimes that they get so
spoiled. Here we are in the midst of it all. We just finished chopping up the veggies. We got, oh, I showed you guys, potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and then we got elotito. This is gonna taste so good. It's my favorite. And then the jalapenos. And over here, I know, I told them that you got them for your squirrels. Over here we have the chicon going.
Trip out on this though. They already know that this is for the squirrels. That they also know and they like it. Because I'll do, and they know.
One for you, one for you. Yummy. This is what's happening over here. Yeah, so they're fixing that. And then, I don't know if you guys remember, we had a big mirror here, and then I had that wall art over here. So there was just a bunch of holes, as you guys can see. It's all been patched up, finally. because I've been staring at these damn holes for like 4 years. So, all patched up.
Y calabacita.
How are you gonna make it? Like a soup?
Sí, pues sí, con caldito y así comérmelo. Comerme el caldito y ahí está el pollo deshebrado. Le eché el caldito que donde cocino pollo. Y así con unos tacos de queso y aguacate.
Yum.
Esto también puedes hacer tú.
I just called my mom because I want to make arroz rojo, or like Mexican rice. So I've never made it before, so we're gonna attempt to make it. So I got some tomato and I have garlic, and I'm gonna start frying the rice. And once the rice is fried, then we're gonna add the tomato. All right, the arroz is already dorado, as you guys can see. It's like a little tan. This is my first time making this, so I really hope. Actually, this is my second. I made it, but I made it with my sister and my cousins, so I felt like I had their support. Simmer for a bit. I feel like I put too much, you guys. I think I've already ruined it. Why does this feel like it's a lot? A lot of water. All right, TBD. All right, I put my caldo de pollo on hold really quick. It's actually almost done, but my dad called me, so I'm doing some stuff for him, setting up his appointments. And I just kind of got to thinking that it's kind of crazy how life really comes in full circle. Like when we're young, they take care of us and they make our doctor's appointments and they take us to the doctors and they make sure we're fine. And then, you know, as life and years pass, our responsibilities or our roles kind of change, because now it's like my parents are older, I'm older, and you kind of just want to take care of them now, and you want to do whatever you can to make whatever situation or whatever process easier. So anyway, he just called me to ask me some questions, and I told him like, "Oh, Dad, it's okay. I'll call. I'll make the appointments. I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it." But it's kind of sweet in the sense that now, you know, they've done their job and they've taken care of us, and now we get to take care of them. But at the same time, it just makes you really think and reflect about life. And I feel like these last couple of months have just been that, like, and really puts life into perspective, and you really start understanding what's important and what's not. And then you also realize how serious things get as you get older, when you truly have to live in the moment and take things day by day, because if you try to think too far ahead, it can feel overwhelming. So you just kind of take it day by day. And that's all we can really do. And in the process of it all, continue to have faith, continue to pray, continue to hold on to God and ask, beg even, that there's peace, that there's guidance.
Thank you for holding. How can I help you?
Thank you so much.
All right. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. But yeah, those are my thoughts. But I'm gonna call my dad back to tell him, actually, let me just call. I'm gonna wait a little bit to call them because they have to fax over some authorization, so I'm gonna wait. And then I'll call them, and then I'm gonna call them in like 15 minutes. I'm gonna set an alarm so that I don't forget, so that I can call them and see what next steps are. You like it? Oh, let me show you guys my rice. So second time technically making arroz. Is it arroz mexicano, arroz rojo? I don't know, but I've always wanted to make it, especially with caldo de pollo, because that's how I grew up eating it. And it turned out, I mean, it looks a little tomatoey. I think I maybe added a little too much, but miren nada más que flofis. It came out very nice. Look at that, delicious. So, gonna have that with the caldo. Let me show you guys the caldo. Obviously, like I told you guys, traditional caldo de pollo doesn't have spinach or cabbage, but I put it in there just because I didn't want it to go to waste. So, we're about to have some yummy caldo. Okay. Forgot to show you guys our final result. I already added some rice, but I'm gonna add more because it tastes bomb with it. And then I'm gonna add more jalapeno because this freaking jalapeno is not that spicy. And you guys, when I eat a sopa, like, I need it to be spicy. I need it to have a kick. Are you guys the same, or do you prefer not for it to be spicy? But it is so yummy. I shred the chicken and I just put it in here so it's easier. I take it off the bone. Dennis he went to Vallarta and got some salsa de molcajete. And then these are some of our favorite chips, calidad. And we're about to watch some Netflix while we have lunch. Good morning. I am all ready. I got up so early today and I have been ready since like 10 in the morning. I got up at 7:30. I had my alarm, but I didn't get out of bed until like 8. But then I jumped in the shower, did my hair, my makeup. Actually, I didn't do anything to my hair because I did it yesterday, so it's kind of lasted. But I did my makeup, recorded some videos, did some work stuff, sang Dennis happy birthday because today's his birthday. So I'm actually taking him to go have breakfast, and then we have dinner reservations tonight at this steakhouse. So anyway, I ended up making reservations at Matu, which is another really good steakhouse, and Cut, which that one is a Michelin star, and it is steakhouse of Wolfgang Puck. So both really good. I had him look at both, and he decided Matu. So I need to call Cut to cancel that reservation, and then we'll just go to the one to Matu. But I wanted to see if we can go earlier because the reservation's at 8:15 and I kind of wanted like a 7:30. So we'll see. But right now we're gonna go have breakfast, starting off the day with some yummy breakfast. Birthday boy is ready. These sunglasses, you guys, are so cute, and they were only $16. I got them at Nordstrom. I will link them for you.
Very cute.
We're already on our way to breakfast, and he already guessed where we were going.
Oh, that's where we're going?
Yeah, so it's been years that we haven't been to the griddle. We used to come to the griddle pretty often. I was searching for pancakes, and Cece's came up, Bea's, places that we've already been to, and honestly, they're not even that great in my opinion.
Yeah.
And because we loved the griddle when we used to come, and we haven't been here in years, I thought it was a good...
Yeah.
The pancake is like this big.
Yeah. I don't even remember
But they also have matcha ones.
Yeah.
Right here is the Griddle Cafe. We just found out that if you come to the griddle, you can park right here, and this is off of Fairfax. It's a parking.
Pretty
it's
cool.
a little, and there's
I know.
entrance in the back. Perfect. We got a little booth. Cute. I love the vibe. And we haven't been here in so long. We used to always sit at the bar, at the little bar over there, but I like this. So loud too. All right, verdict. What did you think of your breakfast?
My French toast.
Yeah, that
Amazing.
French toast was bomb,
My
you
chicken
guys.
breast. Amazing.
Told him the key to a good French toast or a good pancake is a salty butter, because then you get the sweet.
And a lot of butter.
Yeah, I need to touch up my lip liner. Does anybody else do this?
Or 2 million.
Ooh, it's up to you. It's your birthday. We're not doing anything crazy today. We're just doing, obviously, I brought him out to breakfast, and then we're gonna do dinner tonight, and then Sunday we're getting together at the house with the family and celebrate his birthday. Just like a little gathering. Quick stop to get our favorite coffee. You guys, we are Alfred stans. Like, the obsession is real.
You're not gonna let me go here.
Probably not. This coffee is so good. And we always get a 24 ounce, and then we add another shot of espresso, because for some reason the 24 ounce and the 60 ounce have the same amount of espresso shots, so that just doesn't make sense to us. So we always add another one. But look at these houses. We pulled over so that I could take some pictures. This area is so cute. It's been a few hours since we got back. Oh my god, the sunset looks so pretty. The sky's like orange. Dennis is napping. I was laying there. Is this blurry? No. I was laying there with him, just like, just scrolling. He's been napping for a while, but he woke up like at 4:30, so he's tired. Anyway, I'm craving hot Cheetos, so. I'm only gonna have a few. They're so yummy. It's like 4:30, so we have some time before dinner. So I'm just gonna let him sleep a little bit longer, and then I'll wake him up probably like 5:30 or 6. We have to leave here by like 7:30, so yeah, I'll probably wake him up at 6. They heard me munching and crunching, but they're not gonna get any of this. Oh, let's give you your vitamin. Come on. Let's give them their vitamin. This is the vitamin we give them, Cosequin. And we do a whole one for Benji, because he's bigger. And then a half for Odie. And that's for their bones.
We're not done. There is a part 2 tomorrow. Okay.
Guess who decided to cancel all the plans?
No, we didn't cancel all plans because we have 2 plans. We have brunch and dinner. Brunch, we did.
We went to.
We went. Dinner, we did it. It's just, I was telling Ale that all week I've been getting up really early, studying, putting a lot of hours in. So I'm exhausted today.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
It all caught up to you.
Yeah, caught up. And then plus I started working out again. Like
they saw the video of you snoring. I already put it in. So we decided not to go to dinner. Or not we. He decided that he didn't want to do dinner. We were going to go to the movies.
Oh, okay. So I did come up with the movies though.
Yeah.
I was like, all right, you know what? Let's go to the movies. It's okay. I was like, we'll do dinner tomorrow. To drive all the way to Pasadena.
Yeah, we were going to go to IPEC.
Yeah.
So we're going to stay home. He's been craving sushi. And the movie we were going to watch at IPEC, we're going to rent it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Put my hair up in a clip. I was just going to tell you guys, I've had this foundation, well, my makeup on since like 9:30, 10 in the morning. It's 7 o'clock. My foundation has not moved. Like, I could have gone to dinner like this and it would have been perfect. This is the Lancome Teens Eat All. I mixed the matte and the glow because the glow was too light for my tan shade. This is what I use to remove my mascara. They are so soft. They actually sent this to me in PR, but you guys saw when I went to TJ Maxx, they had them there. So I bought another pack just to have as backup. And I'm using my Garnier waterproof to remove my mascara. And I do this so gently. I almost like to soak my eyelashes. Next step is oil. My hands are already washed. This is my Caudalie Vino Perfect, or Vino Clean makeup remover. And it's an oil. I always double cleanse. You want to break down the makeup and you want an oil that just glides on the skin, barely putting any pressure, and that's what you want. And I'm going to cleanse again with a gel cleanser and you're still going to see makeup coming off. That's why it's so important to double cleanse, because I'm wearing foundation, concealer, powders. This is the one that I have been using. I like to, when I start a cleanser, unless it like breaks me out or my skin reacts to it, I like to completely finish it before I either repurchase or go into another one. But this is a Summer Fridays one that I've been using. I'm almost done with it. It's probably like down to here. So it's a good cleanser. I really like it. It's gentle. This didn't break me out. Doesn't really have a scent, so if you don't like cleansers with scents, you would love this. Oops. I would repurchase it because I have so many skincare products that I obviously want to use and try out, but I would repurchase it if I didn't have anything else, because it's a really good one. Okay. Now we take our gel. Oh, my hair. And we rub this a little bit more. And now we take our little towel, which this has been a game changer. I love these towels. Right now for skincare, I'm gonna take my eye cream, do a little pump of that, warm up the product, and we apply the eye cream. I have been using this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Resurfacing Dream Serum. Oh my god, the battery's gonna die. So I've been liking it. So I've been using this at night. This helps with your skin tone, like evening out your skin tone, any texture, wrinkles. And then going with Caudalie, this is the Premier Crew. So this is like a very rich moisturizer, so it's nice and thick. If your skin is really dry, that is a really good moisturizer for nighttime, because your skin is just gonna take it. Battery died in the middle of, well, not in the middle, actually towards the end of my skincare routine, but that was it. Once I applied my moisturizer, why am I showing you guys this? This is the battery. Once I apply my moisturizer, that is the end of my skincare routine, my nighttime. Okay, Dennis just got back with sushi. There's a feast, you guys. It is time for bed. What movie did we watch, babe? American Fiction.
American Fiction. I really liked it.
Yeah, it was a good movie. Recommend. Also, Dennis went to Trader Joe's the other day, and I asked him to bring me some flowers because I wanted to put them right here. And he brought me these beautiful pink roses. I think they look so cute. Like, having fresh flowers on your nightstand is such a vibe, and this is something that's gonna have to continue because I love it. And then this is my perfume from today, Delina. It is time for bed. You ready for bed? Are you ready to go night-night? Oh my gosh, I love you so much. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Say goodnight, Benji.